In this video guide, I will show with you step by step how you can log in Piraeus Bank. Open Google, search for Piraeus Bank. This is the keyword. Click the first website, official bank. You will see this page. In this page, all you have to do, click on accept cookies, click e-banking option, click individual or business login, click individual here. You will redirect it to a login page. So click on this one. From this login page, click login business. You will access on this page e-banking username. Write your username here. For example, this is your username. Write your password, as you can see here, friends, and then click on login. Click on login option. This is how you can do 2 steps. Basically, this is how you can do. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like and give share this video for more content, and see you in another video soon.